Hi, I'm Vance Williams, Chair of the Chemistry Department. On behalf of the faculty and staff, I'd like to congratulate you on your graduation. It was touch and go there at the end, but you made it through, so great job. I realize that this is probably not the day that you had envisioned, and I really wish that we could have been together in person to have a ceremony with our caps and gowns, met your families, and said one last farewell. But I do want you to know how very proud all of us are of you and how grateful we are that we were able to take part in your journey. Good luck in your future adventures. And please remember that we regard you as part of our family. And so please keep in touch, take care, and once again, good luck.
Dear graduates, families, friends, fellow faculty, and students. As the Chair of Graduate Studies in the Department of Chemistry, I have the great pleasure of welcoming you to our 2020 Spring Convocation reception. I think it is safe to assume that when you were starting in the graduate program a few years ago, none of us could have imagined the 2020 Spring Convocation as a virtual one. However, for you graduates, I hope you realized during your training that it is impossible to control all the factors and conditions which your system of study is exposed to. Moreover, it is not really necessary to have such a control. It is just sufficient to recognize which factors are important and control those. So here we come. The first generation of chemistry graduates in the times of the pandemic. You recognize what is important. You persevered during the time of challenge. You completed the objectives of your research, and you defended your results, despite of the difficulties and hardships. It is my honor then to call each of you by name. Lalangi Chandrasena, Doctor of Philosophy. David Esther, Doctor of Philosophy. Luisa Gomez, Doctor of Philosophy. Jake Hackle, Doctor of Philosophy. Jessica Miller, Doctor of Philosophy. Vengopal Rao Chala, Doctor of Philosophy. Lishan Zhang, Doctor of Philosophy. Mehrdad Mokhtari, Master of Science. Nicholas Peresin, Master of Science. Oleg Sannikov, Master of Science. I hope that the degree you receive today will be for you a source of pride and satisfaction for the years to come. I also hope that the knowledge and understanding you develop will enable you to face the very real and serious challenges our society and the world has to face every day. Please remember those who supported you, your family and friends foremost, but also the department where you spent so many years working and studying. We are all proud to see you succeeding. One more time, congratulations and well done.
It is my pleasure to extend my personal congratulations, as well as those on behalf of the Department of Chemistry Undergraduate Studies Committee, to all of our graduating students. It is also a particular pleasure for me to announce the names of some of our graduating class. So here we go. Congratulations to Jazkan Arlak, Ian Chavunda, Nathan Chan, Simon Chalk, Jeremy Choi, Brody Crawford, Malika Darudi, Jacob Jerican Profit, and finally, Logan Garvin.
Sean Geppert, Nalan Garabos, Jay Huang, Justin Kim, Kristen Kong, Evgeny Kukova, Fionn Lei, Zachary Lee, Michelle Lee,
Shun Li, Joanne Liu Eng, Max Mogg, Catherine Perkins, Birad Sahedi Segez, Manmeet Sagu, Tejinder Sohal, Leah Stott, Brigetta Sun,
Alexander Voloshin, Billy Walsh, Jason Whittet, Alexander Wong, Agni Wong, Morgan Wong, Jennifer Wu, Yilin Wu, Alvin Zhao,
Hello, fellow chemistry graduates of spring 2020. Congratulations, we made it. We made it through hours of exam study sessions, through all-nighters trying to finish up those lab reports. We made it through pages of interpreting NMR and IR spectra and set up many, many titrations. We leave here with a wealth of knowledge and skill that will carry us forward into the next steps. This is an accomplishment that we should all be proud of. These are uncertain times, but I'm confident that we have the foundation and the ability to make successful transitions after graduation. To the professors and lecturers that had to deal with one deadline extension request after the other, we thank you for your patience and guidance through all these years. And to the students yet to graduate coming right after us, I encourage you to expand your experience at SFU, whether it be through research with one of the professors, or whether you venture off campus with some work experience through co-op, or you decide to become involved with student engagement in clubs or student council. All it takes is a little curiosity to seek out these opportunities and the courage to engage in new challenges that I believe can only serve to enrich your time at SFU. So thank you all again for your attention. Thank you to SFU and the whole department and everyone else who helped get us to this point, family and friends included. And congratulations again to all of us graduating here today. Thank you.
All of us at the chemistry department.
All of us at the chemistry department.
All of us at the chemistry department
wish to extend to you our greatest congratulations on your achievement.
Congratulations, not only for earning an undergraduate or graduate degree, but for taking charge of your own destiny.
Earning an education gives you the opportunity for a bright future.
One you have merited through perseverance, dedication, and commitment.
You entered Simon Fraser University with hope, determination, and a goal. And today you have achieved that goal.
You have proven to yourself that for all obstacles, you have what it takes to succeed.
Look now to your future, a future which might feel a little unknown in these unprecedented times.
Consider the environment you are graduating in today as a litmus test for your future.
The way you frame, think about, or overcome the challenges that we are all currently facing becomes the basis for which you will conquer your future.
Choose wisely.
We believe in you because we have seen what you can achieve.
Today is a day for celebration, and we are celebrating it with you. You did it.
Right on. Congratulations.
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 Congratulations, everyone.
Congratulations to all of you and all the best in your future endeavors.
You did it. Well done.
You did it. And I hope that you have just a moment to reflect on everything that you've accomplished and take great pride in achieving those goals, because we're proud of you.
No matter what the next stage in your career is, remember that we're always happy to see you. Keep in touch and do some great chemistry.